It's time!
Every man's heart one day beats its final beat. His lungs breathe their final breath. And if what that man did in his life makes the blood pulse through the body of others, it makes them bleed deeper in something than larger than life, then his essence, his spirit, will make the running the man did live forever. I am Ultimate Warrior. You are the Ultimate Warrior fans. And the spirit of Ultimate Warrior will run forever.
Welcome back, Home Warrior Nation. I'm Mr. M, and welcome back to another edition of Physical Education at Home, where today we are calling on the power of the Ultimate Warrior. That's right. As you saw at the beginning of this video, the Ultimate Warrior was this wrestler from the 80s and 90s who was just full of energy and charisma and always told people to call on the power to do the best they can do. And today we're doing the same thing because we are doing our Ultimate Fitness Challenge Part 3. That's right. You know how to do it, right? You've done it with me before. And if you haven't, I'll leave the link to our last 2 challenges. But the point is, we're going to be doing 13 30-second work sets. That means for each set, there's going to be a 30-second set where you're going to do as many exercises as possible, and then you're going to have a 15-second rest. Now remember, the focus is always form over flash. That means your focus is on quality, not quantity. Do it the right way, do it correctly, get the most out of the workout, and be safe. But enough about that, boys and girls. It is time for us to get ready. You know what time it is. It's time to ask yourself that question. Are you ready to become the heavyweight champion of fitness of your home? Because if you are, then come on, let's go. Let's get ready. All right, so we're ready to start the challenge. So we're going to call on now the power of the Ultimate One. So let's get ready as we face our fears, we overcome obstacles, and we remind ourselves that hard work always leads to victory. So now it is time for warrior mode. So come on, let's go. That's better. But you know what, boys and girls? I feel that for this last challenge, we're gonna need a little more ultimate power. So we're gonna double up on warrior mode. So let's go again. That's even better. So boys and girls, we are ready for our final Ultimate Fitness Challenge. So it is time for us to get our warrior mode ready because, boys and girls, this challenge begins right now. All right, Warrior Nation, let's begin by warming up with some jumping jacks. Let's go. Great start. And now we're going to work our upper body because up next are push-ups. Now it is time to mix power and cardio because up next are squat jumps. Let's go, warriors. Now we're gonna focus on our core as we do forearm planks. Okay, get ready, you got this. Now we summon another warrior, Iron Mike Tyson, as we do a combination of a jab, cross, and to the body. Come on, Home Warrior Nation, let's do this. Now back to our upper body with Spider-Man push-ups. So come on, Home Warriors, show me that power. Let's go. Great job, little warriors. Feel that power running through your veins. And now we're gonna work on our lower body as we do lunges. So come on, get ready, and let's go. Now back to our boxing skills as we do a slip, bob, and weave, okay? So let's go, warriors! Now back to our core as we do the side plank. So come on, you got this. Let's go get it. can't just do one side plank because now we have to take care of the other side. Let's go. Now it is time for the Punisher, because up next are burpees. So come on, warriors. Let's go! Let's finish strong! Come on, go get it! Did the hard work, and now we're going to center ourselves as you feel the energy and the power that is within you. So come on, boys and girls, let's breathe. We are down to the last thing, boys and girls, and you know what it is, because remember, no matter how small or big the accomplishment is, always take time to celebrate!
You are the Ultimate Warrior fans, and the spirit of Ultimate Warrior will run forever!
And that, my whole Warrior Nation, was our Ultimate Fitness Challenge. So next time, come back, try to bring a friend or family member to join you, but if not, it doesn't matter, because we can do it together. Remember, quality over quantity. You can always do it better. You can also do more. But remember, the point is that you're not competing with anyone else. You're only challenging yourself. So boys and girls, it is time to go. But you know what time it is. It is time to ask yourself the question. Are you ready to become the heavyweight champion of fitness in your home? Because if you are, then come on, let's get ready. Let's go get it. Let's go.